Hello, Algebra 1. Welcome to the second week of Unit 7, Solving Quadratic Equations. Before we begin, please make sure you have paper, your notebook, and a pencil. Let's start by you reading the aim. We are going to continue our work with converting between factored form and standard form. Today's lesson will focus on opposite signs. Let's take a look at factored form equations with opposite signs. In our first example of a factored form equation with opposite signs, we have y equals to x plus 3 times x minus 6. I know I have opposite signs because I have a positive and a negative. In example 2, we have y equals to x minus 2 times x plus 8. Again, we have opposite signs, a negative 2 and a positive 8. We have already learned how to double distribute, but now we're going to be paying close attention to what happens when we double distribute with opposite signs. In our video, we are going to watch Ms. Franks double distribute x plus 2 times x minus 12. Okay, let's jump right into converting my factored form equation to standard form. Our equation is y equals x plus 2 times x minus 12, and I'm going to start by multiplying x times x. X times x is x squared. X times negative 12 is negative 12x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. Again, the subtraction sign acts as a negative sign, so you want to take your time when you're multiplying. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Now I'm going to type into my calculator negative 12 plus 2, which is negative 10. So negative 12x plus 2x equals negative 10x. And I'm going to bring down my x squared, and I'm going to bring down my negative 24. And my standard form equation is y equals x squared minus 10x minus 24. And now I'm going to use the box method. I've already written x plus 2 on the top and x minus 12 on the side. So I'm going to start with x times x. X squared. Then I'm going to do 2 times x, which is 2x. Then I'm going to do negative 12 times x, negative 12x. And negative 12 times 2 is negative 24. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So 2x minus 12x is negative 10x. And I'm bringing down my x squared, and I'm bringing down my negative 24. And I am done. That's my standard form. Y equals x squared minus 10x minus 24. So you just watched Ms. Franks double distribute x plus 2 times x minus 12. And her standard form equation was y equals to x squared minus 10x minus 24. So because we had a positive 2 and a negative 12, our b term was negative and our c term was also negative. But what would have happened if the 2 was negative and the 12 was positive? After double distributing, our standard form equation would be y equals to x squared plus 10x minus 24. This time our b term is positive and our c term is negative. You are going to be double distributing factored form equations with opposite signs. You're going to pay close attention to what happens with the M and N and the B and C. Let's compare the M and N to the B and C from our mini lesson example. Our M was plus 2, our N was negative 12. When you add positive 2 and negative 12, you get negative 10, which is our B. And when you multiply positive 2 and negative 12, you get negative 24, which is our C. This is what you will be doing in today's classwork, and you will be noticing the same thing. Now you're going to complete the 7.05 classwork assignment. When you finish, take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. And if you need any assistance, please reach out. You got this.